Welcome back to Motorhome Review's 2026 BRABUS RV Motorhome Exterior, Interior, Performance and Prices Review. If you're chasing the pinnacle of luxury on wheels, where high-performance tuning meets opulent living, this beast from BRABUS is set to blow your mind. Built on their reputation for transforming Mercedes vehicles into monsters, the 2026 BRABUS RV, often dubbed the Big Boy 1200, takes that ethos to the RV world. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion designed for those who demand power, style, and comfort without compromise. Let's dive straight into the exterior that turns heads wherever it goes. The 2026 BRABUS RV boasts an imposing presence with a total length of 12 meters, or about 39.4 feet, making it a true class A giant. Its all-black exterior exudes elegance and menace, with a sleek, aerodynamic profile that's as functional as it is striking. The body is constructed from insulated sandwich panels for the roof, floor, and sides, clad in aluminum over a galvanized steel frame for durability and weather resistance. Up front, the cab features the iconic BRABUS illuminated logo in an exposed carbon radiator grille, flanked by carbon side wind deflectors and fog light covers for that signature aggressive look. LED headlights with roof lamp holders ensure brilliant illumination, while the 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view for easy navigation in tight spots. On the sides, you'll find two electrically extendable slide-outs per side, expanding the width from 2.5 meters to a spacious 4.5 meters when parked, perfect for creating expansive living areas. These slide-outs are seamless, with double-glazed windows featuring electrically integrated blinds for privacy and insulation. The entrance door on the right-hand side comes with electrically extendable steps and a mosquito net to keep bugs out during those summer evenings. Below, there's ample storage in the underbelly compartments, including space for utilities and gear. Hydraulic supports, in total, automatically level the vehicle on any terrain, ensuring stability no matter where you set up camp. The rear features twin tires on the second axle for better load distribution, and a trailer coupling rated at 3.5 tons allows you to tow a car or toys behind. Wheels are 22.5-inch black aluminum rims, adding to the stealthy aesthetic. Overall, the exterior screams BRABUS sophistication, carbon accents everywhere, from handles to trims, and an EU type approval certificate that means it's road legal across Europe. It's built to withstand the elements while looking like a supercar on steroids. Stepping inside the 2026 BRABUS RV feels like entering a 5-star hotel suite on wheels, with over 30 square meters of refined living space once expanded. The interior is a masterpiece of BRABUS craftsmanship, blending gray leather, black fine wood, alcantara, and carbon fiber for a sporty yet luxurious vibe. Starting in the cockpit, the driver's and passenger seats are upholstered in BRABUS masterpiece leather with triangle quilting and perforations for breathability, offering supreme comfort on long drives. Above the cab, an electrically lowerable bed measures 160 centimeters wide, providing extra sleeping space without sacrificing headroom. Moving back, the living room, or saloon, features two plush sofas in gray BRABUS leather with that signature triangle quilting, facing each other for cozy gatherings. The space expands dramatically with the slide-outs, creating room for a dining area with a large black table, designer chairs in black and gray fabric, and enough seating for family or friends. It's versatile as a mobile office too, with built-in desks and power outlets galore, including USB-C ports. Entertainment is next level, a 43-inch 4K TV in the bedroom, another in the living area, integrated PlayStation 5, and satellite internet via Starlink for seamless streaming, work, or video calls anywhere. The kitchen is fully equipped for gourmet meals, boasting an induction hob, oven, dishwasher, a spacious fridge with freezer compartment, a separate wine fridge, and even a coffee machine. Countertops are sleek and durable, with plenty of storage in cabinets and drawers. Adjacent is the dining setup, making meal prep and serving effortless. The bathroom, positioned between the bedroom and living quarters, is a spa oasis with fine natural stone finishes, a rainforest shower for that invigorating rinse, a porcelain WC, wash basin, towel dryer, and underfloor heating to keep your toes warm. It's spacious enough to feel like home, with anti-fog mirrors and ample storage for essentials. At the rear, the master bedroom is a sanctuary, featuring a transversely positioned double bed that's 160 by 200 centimeters, surrounded by large closets and a desk. The slide-outs here create extra room, and blackout blinds ensure peaceful sleep. Throughout, automatic air conditioning keeps the climate perfect, while a Kubota KB40 hybrid diesel heating system with underfloor heating warms the entire space efficiently. Power is handled by 8 solar panels on the roof, lithium batteries totaling 1000 Ah at 24V, a 6.4 kW Fisher Panda generator, and a Victron Quattro 5000 inverter for off-grid capability. Water systems are robust. 427 liters of fresh water, 270 liters gray, and 170 liters black, all heated and insulated. Extras like a central vacuum cleaner, stacked washer-dryer, and smart controls via app make life effortless. Sleeping capacity is up to 4, with options for more via the cab bed, and the minimalist design ensures it feels airy and uncluttered. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BRABUS RV doesn't disappoint, drawing from Brabus's tuning legacy. Under the hood, or rather, the massive chassis, is a 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine pumping out 390 kilowatts, or 530 horsepower, at 1,600 RPM, with a staggering 2,600 Newton-meters of torque at 1,100 RPM. This powerplant propels the 26-ton behemoth with surprising agility, though top speed is electronically limited to 90 km per hour or 56 miles per hour for safety. The 3-axle setup includes a steered trailing axle for better maneuverability, with a turning radius of 21.2 meters, impressive for its size. Intelligent braking with ABS and ASR keeps things controlled, while the air suspension smooths out rough roads. Fuel capacity is generous at 390 liters of diesel, plus 60 liters of AdBlue for emissions control, offering decent range for cross-country trips. The chassis handles like a dream, with dual tires on the rear axles distributing weight evenly and providing stability at highway speeds. Off-road? It's not a 4x4 monster, but the hydraulic leveling and robust build allow for light adventures beyond paved sites. Safety features abound, from the 360 camera to adaptive systems that make parking this giant feel intuitive. Efficiency-wise, expect around 5 to 7 miles per gallon, but the solar integration and battery setup mean you can boondock without guzzling fuel. It's engineered for reliability, with Brabus's attention to detail ensuring it performs as flawlessly as it looks. Pricing for the 2026 BRABUS RV starts in the stratosphere, reflecting its bespoke nature. Base models hover around $2 million, but with customizations like enhanced audio systems, additional solar capacity, or premium interior upgrades, it can easily climb to $3 million or more. This positions it as one of the most exclusive RVs on the market, available only in approved regions. Check with Brabus for availability. Financing options through luxury vehicle lenders can spread payments over years, and maintenance, while pricey at $5,000 to $10,000 annually, is backed by Brabus's global service network. Resale value? Expected to hold strong, as these are collector's items for the ultra-wealthy. If this deep dive into the 2026 BRABUS RV has you itching for the ultimate road trip luxury, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic reviews, and let me know in the comments what high-end motorhome we should tackle next. Thanks for watching. Hit the road in style.